Hello guys. Hello, look at my path on the journey I am bestowed upon, as my presence is blessed on this earth as a goddess that I am. Look at the flowers blooming into oneness of thyself that we are as people and alien beings on earth. So now if we see this, blooming process of how flowers bloom and become, something that is bigger than life itself. We kind of see the process of nature in the wind and in the fire. And how nature in the wind and in the fire can be so recreational, even though it can be so destructive. Because when plants and, nature dies as well, it's like so like it burns, like sometimes you get the heat that burns, that burns nature. But it's so recreational because it regrows and it rises again and blooms again from death. That is the power of energy source and nature. So now we have some enclosed flowers who are still blooming, in feminine divinity, in feminine divine oneness of the womanhood, So you feel that in the self-healing of the soul when you come across nature and flowers, especially flowers, tulips and lilies and peonies and daisies, sunflower daisies. But yeah, now all of look at the birds are getting scared now. The birds are getting so scared. Don't worry. Relax. So now, can you see how all of the flowers... You're gonna hurt yourself. Look, the bird is getting so scared, it's gonna hurt itself. So now all of the flowers here have corpsed itself. And this is the spring of life, because now the flowers bloom on the trees here. But they fall because life is death and death is life. And things get reborn and things get recreated and reborn in artistic revelation. I want to showcase nature